the other way, Malaya. What are you doing, Malaya? Are you in the card section? Are you picking out a card?
You're...
Woo! You like that?
Let's see what it's doing.
Is it funny?
She thinks she has to turn it around to get it to play again.
Oh, you did it! You are too much.
She's like, hold on, it went off. I'm about to open it back up. Boy, go to bed.
Okay. You ready to go bye-bye?
She's been doing this literally for 50 times repeat.
Oh man.